National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Beltrami County in north-central Keysota, Wadena County in north-central Keysota, effective until 4:21 p.m. at 3:58 p.m. A confirmed tornado was near Hibbing, moving southeast at 216 miles per hour. This is particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. This tornado will follow areas, Prior Lake. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will deadly to these caught without shelter. Damage to homes, business, and vehicles as likely, and complete destruction as possible.